Hey guys, how are you all? Few of the images of Redmi K20 have been unveiled online. From these images, it is confirmed that the phone is coming with a notchless screen and an in-display fingerprint scanner on K20 Pro or K20. So we are looking at yet another photo of K20 which shows at how it looks from the back. So it has a unique gradient look. So you can see many of the phones with the gradient look comes with the vertical stripes. So you can see here it is an butterfly kind of gradient look, which is very impressive. So the K20 has a glass back with a gradient paint job. It also has three cameras on the rear stacked vertically in the center with one snapper placed separately surrounding by a ring. You can see that the power button and the volume rocker are placed on the right side of the K20 as shown in the images. The K20 Redmi K20 will be unveiled on May 28 and the company has already confirmed some of its specifications like Snapdragon 855 will be the processor that the K20 will have, and it is coupled with some 6GB of RAM, 8GB of RAM, and you will be having a 128GB of internal storage. There will be a definite 48MP of primary lens in the triple rear camera, and you can also shoot 960 fps slow motion video recording from this triple rear camera. So the battery is 4000 mAh battery with a quick charge support that can charge your phone in just 45 minutes to 50 minutes. So we are very excited to know about the Redmi K20, the amazing feature it packs. It will be a definite flagship killer. So K20 will be unveiled in China on May 28 and in India and other countries it may take 15 to 1 month to get launched. So this is all about the Redmi K20 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.